What's better to do at 10:54 p.m. besides code? Nothing. That's why I'm choosing to code right now, because it's the best thing in the world. I mean, coding is awesome. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. NPM start this thing. And the goal now is to try to get some sort of authentication set up. Already asked this question and got half right. Basically, because the old stuff was so deprecated. I mean, it worked, but the main issue is that I just copy and, it's easy to copy code. Sometimes it's more difficult to understand it. Solution. After logging in, you store the user in Redux, but don't persist the token anywhere. That's bad. Be logged out. After logging in, retrieve it when needed. Modify your login thunk. Okay, let's see what's wrong with my login thunk. Because I might actually be able to answer this. Or at least wrap my head around this. Store the token in local storage. Local storage dot set item token. Here, dispatch set user data. And I'm storing it nowhere. Here we go. Yeah. That might help. The question is, how the hell did it work the last time? Send a token for authentication requests. No token in the request. Modify authenticate to include the token. This makes sense. Authenticate. API/auth. That's... We'll figure that out. As Explorer cons authenticate. Okay. Helps to send a token. Be an idiot not to think that. Alright, so we got that. Might as well start front end while I'm here. At least this way we can see if there are errors. It's difficult to see if the thing crashes if it's not running. Alright, so far so good. Await fetch API off front end. Authenticate, login routes, group routes, user routes. Let's see what we got here first. We just got login. Next one, user routes. Middleware authenticate. That's the create one. I think that's what we needed. So let's do this for the time being. And middleware. There we go. This is what we need. Okay, so this one, fetch API authentication, but that's not this one exactly what this would be. So let's just do it this way. I think it might be that protected thing. But let's just do the front end thing first. Your backend currently donate. Oh, here we go. But you don't have middleware to check if the token is valid when making requests. Authenticate token. Modify authenticate to include the token. And now we did that to the backend. Okay, I'm thinking we have some user routes. So we're going to start with a question to the AI. And decrypt jot. And your authenticate route. Okay, so let's just copy this authenticate token. Token good. Let's copy this for time being good. Go here. Copy you. Right. That terminal backend. Oh. Module.exports middleware authenticate. Authenticate is not defined because it's authenticate token now. The good news by changing this is that we might have I guess we don't have one. Maybe because it's not being used somewhere. I was just assuming that it would like have another error somewhere else so we could figure out where this is being called. If it's being called. Modify, log out. Do we even have a logout one yet? Remove user. Session.js. Okay, well, get rid of you. Get rid of you. Yeah, this is store. Log in. Log out. Dispatch, remove user. Remove user. There we go. And change you. Front end. Successful. Broke anything yet? We know this works. Call authenticate in app.js. Dispatch authenticate. What the hell's authenticate? authenticate in app.js. Let's see what we're doing in app.js. We're calling nothing. So this is what the problem. Still don't know what the hell I'm doing here. Authenticate. I have tons of questions. The main thing I'm wondering about is if any of this crap works. And the real one way to find out is to just test it out. Because this thing's not going to be an easy fix. I almost guarantee you that. Log in, lose rings, password, see what happened, executing from user where lose rings. Still don't. React Dev Tools, session user, token. So we have a token. Raw. Logged in the front end, and this is the Redux printout. Modify your login route in the back end. Okay. Okay, yeah. That makes sense in the long run. Fix, update, backend. This is the post route. I mean, the main thing is like each time you do this, you learn a little bit more. Token, token. So now we're just wrapping it all up. User.username, user.email, user.id. Perfect for that. Somewhat easy fix. Modify your login func. Dispatch set user. This also makes somewhat sense. Sign up, log out, log in. Good. Authenticate. Logins here. We still running? No, we're not. Line 72. Let's try again. again. Okay. So let's just copy and paste your hole instead of just trying to be cute. So bye-bye to this whole thing. Hello to you. Get you to be happy, but you are. See if you persist. No, you do not. Problem. Problem, problem. But at least you're running for the time being, so we've fixed that error. Modify your Redux. Okay, user. Producer, set user, remove user. Let's change you about. Yoink and boink. Stored. Alright. Just having a token. Because let's just. At least we have the token being passed in. The goal now is just to get it to persist through a refresh, which may or may not happen. And we want to happen. So, we have the stuff now. Let's refresh. And it turns to null. Okay, so we might as well. But what I'm thinking is that we haven't even set up. There's a bunch of stuff we haven't set up yet. So at least we know for the time being, at least, we're getting somewhere. So we're going to be doing the most logical, the most glorious thing, and that's copying and adding more stuff here. And protected, because we need protected route stuff before we can really flesh out. You know, we need protected routes before we could actually just test this damn thing out. So we're app.js. Components off protected route. Wonder what the hell that is. It's a bunch of crap I haven't done yet. Import authenticate from store session. Yeah, this is like the problem. You get like kind of overwhelmed. So let's just do with authenticate first. Await fetch, content, dispatch, set user data. Didn't we do something like this? Let's just go into this mutual aid session. Yeah, we have authenticate right here. Okay, good. So now we have to go here. Import authenticate from store session. Go to this mutual aid. This is their use effect and dispatch. See if this breaks. Set loaded and loaded. Okay, next step. Loaded. Good. Loaded, set loaded. And we don't need you. Use state false. Const dispatch. Do we have? Yeah, we have use dispatch. We got use state. Okay. Some other copy pasta stuff that we need. Import protected route from components. Authentication protected route. Components. Protected route.js. So let's copy you and make a component. cd front end, ls cd source, cd component, capital C component. Oh, touch protected route.js. Might as well put you in authentication. That makes me feel nice and makes me feel like I'm organized, which I'm not. So export default protected route. It's good, I think. Now let's go to this one. Import protected route. And go to this one over here. Bed. Session. Protected route. App. Components authentication. Good. And mutual aid. And this and that. And so we got components. Then UTH. Then authentication / protected route. See if. Yeah, redirect. Not found in React Router DOM. Okay, so let's go here. Use navigate. And navigate equals use navigate. Invoke you. I think this is it. I mean, it's not going to be it. Line 5. Not defined. Const navigate. Alright, just undo this. Control Z. There we go. You go here, you go here. And there, there, there. Yeah, old one is old. Okay, navigate, use location. Ooh. Now protected route is just a wrapper. Okay, let's just do first things first. I'll do you up. And PS this thing's called a wrapper now. This is always fun. Okay, apps. So at least that part's done. Do we have the use effect for the new one? Let's figure that out. Yeah, we have the use effect. Terminal. Key. So far, maybe we're doing something okay. But let's just go to app.js, figure out what we need to do next. I'm thinking some sort of landing form. We got a landing page. What's the name of the page that they just redirected to? My listings. My listings. My charities. My page index. Okay. You go there. My page. Copy everything. Go here. ls. Work directory home. cd home. Oh, we don't need a cd into home. You go there. You go there. Paste all the things. And let's just go back inside and see what the hell this is. Okay, it's called My Charities, but it's basically fetch my group's thunk. Fetch my request thunk. Good. So now we get to have to make 2 new thunks. Go into store, and we might as well make up new things for it. CD into store, and we're gonna make touch groups.js touch requests.js. Fetch my groups thunk and fetch my request thunk. And go here. Session group requests. Import requests from boink 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 session. Now let's just figure out what the hell this gobbledygook is. Store groups and index.js, app.js. Find the name of these things again. We got fetch my groups thunk. Create group, fetch all groups, fetch one group, fetch my groups thunk. There we go. And there. And get rid of you. Get rid of you. Put you there. Put you there. Fetch my groups thunk. Here we go. Fetch my groups. But just scroll all you down for the time being. Groups.js. Edit. By. And as I just add new ones, I'm just gonna recopy them in just so crap doesn't break. Good, and here, where were these things? My groups get action, there we go. And last but not least, my groups equals group slash mine. Okay, so we did that one. On to requests. Get out of you, go to requests. My requests. Okay, next one, capital M. My request get action. My request get action. Go scroll down even frickin' more. Create group thunk. Nope, I don't need a thunk. Did I already copy and make the thunk? Let's see if I copied my thunk. I didn't copy my thunk. To find my thunk. Here's my thunk. Fetch my thunk, press thunk. And go with you. Copy you. Edit request by create, destroy, bye. One request. Case all requests, bye. And do we have a problem? Yeah. Line 51, you want something. And I agree. You want another curly brace. But no, you're still greedy. You will need another curly brace. Okay, this is for this. I'll Shift F. There we go. Okay, so you have the curly brace. You have that. The switch needs one too. There we go. Alright, so we had the thunks. What other crap do we need? Homepage.css, that's fine. And it seems that you want. Next thing you need is group card and request card. So you need to be copied. Put the same thing here. Copy, paste. And you want, yeah, this is Capital Mutual Aid. My page, here we go. My request card. There we go. Copy. Here, there, and there. And I'll go back to this one and figure out what else we need. And we don't have any use history, so we don't have to worry about that, which is nice. Pitch my group hook, then .len, that set is loaded true. Nice. Alright, seems easy. So let's just go to this one. Figure out what we have here. You need to be navigate. You need delete group thunk. So let's go to delete group thunk. Create group thunk, fetch all groups, get one group, fetch my groups, delete group. So there. Delete groups thunk. Go to store and groups. You just minimize you for now. You go there. And there we go here. Delete group action. Don't even think we need these actions. I mean, this thing's not going to work. It might run. If not, it's going to be an easy. I mean, it's comparatively easier of a fix than what I was trying to do, and that's just completely have to rebuild that entire back end. I mean, I thought it was just going to be easier to rebuild the front, like the front end could be copy pasta, but it's going to require some effort. So here, let's just go down to this thunk. Damn, this thing's old. Damn, I'm old. So there, delete group thunk. Uh-oh. Oh, what the hell am I? What the hell am I doing? Okay, so we have the delete group thunk. We have case my groups, so we just copied the wrong thing. Destroy groups. And groups. Destroy groups. Good, good, good. Okay. Continue to the next spot of. So we got delete group thunk. This is this. This is mine. Okay, so we got small and capital. We're in small now. And you're gonna be upset for something or another. Let's just see what you're gonna be wrong with. I guess we didn't even put it in yet. Maybe that's why. Okay, delete group thunk. Navigate equals use navigate. Edit group. Navigate.push. Navigate. Good. Then navigate.push. Okay, now we get all that stuff. Good and good. Next step here. It's just my use selector, my request card. Oh, I bet. Just my charity card. Yep. Okay, use navigate. From React Router DOM. One day I'll make this PC, but delete request thunk. Okay. You want delete request thunk, you got delete request thunk. Behold in all its glory, delete request thunk. So we're going to go to request here. Case my request. This is the reducer. This is fetch my request thunk. This is delete request thunk. Here's another thunk. Delete request action. Get action. Delete action. And here, last but not least, the request / destroy. Destroying things is always fun. Good. So now that you have a thunk, we need to update my little reducer. Scroll down here. Oh, my destroy request. Go here. Case my requests. Destroy request. Good. Now that we have done this, now we could go back to the back end and make these stupid routes. Here, because we don't even have these set up yet. Okay, routes. And terminal. Let's go here. CD. And see, no, not Cedars. CD con, no. Where the hell am I? Route. Oh, yeah, it's hiding in plain sight. Touch. Group routes.js. Touch. Request routes.js. I already have group routes. What the hell do I already have group routes? I'm running the right one, right? Yeah. Guess I jumped the gun. That's good. Const request routes equals require request routes, and you and you. Use okay, so I jumped the gun with that. So you go, you go, you go. How long have I been blabbering? 49 minutes. I have 10 more minutes. And because I completely forgot how to do these routes, I just need some sort of template, and then we can go from there. So what do we need? We need some set of route that just gets everything. So group routes equals models, const groups, no charities. Equal require models and what have we got? Let's look at this Flask gibberish. Don't want to call it gibberish because at one time I actually knew what the hell this actually did. Get group by ID, post a group. get ID. Current user.username. Python. Okay, so here you go. We need to some sort of prototype on how to delete one, and then I could figure out how to do all this crap. My brain's turning to mush today. Meetup, backend, routes, PI, groups, utils authorization. Yeah, I'm gonna suck at this. Okay, so let's figure out what we're gonna do. Group ID/membership. Random.delete. There we go. Group routes. There we go. And that. Okay, so yeah, it's first we have the closing parenthesis. Good. Group ID equals rec.params. Member ID rec.body. I'm just going to copy this for now. But find something that's a little bit easier to, more simple destroying one. So right now I'm getting ready to go to sleep. And it's difficult to do that if, well, groups joined by logged in user. Right now I'm interested in destroying. We'll destroy things and then we'll build new ones. But, I mean, we could do some simple stuff before then. So let's just go here. At least we can make sure that these thunks are communicating properly. Group, store. Delete group thunk. Slash groups. Good. Number slash edit. Good. Declaration. Wait a minute, you want to be called ID? Fine. ID. And I'm just going to have them translate the Flask into... So here, and here, and here, delete you, because I don't need you. Yeah, stupid headphone. Hi, ChatGPT. Thank you for your help. I have this Flask code and was wondering if you could trans it to Express for me. I mean, this is how you learn. Good, good, good. I love that, assuming everything. Yeah, because I'm always gonna... I'm gonna have to change that. I mean, there's some things I'm competent at. Most I'm not. Some I'm not. Some I am. Random.delete. Good. So... Boink. And this is going to be called Charities. So I think I call them Charities now. Good. Find by PK, group ID, if bang one group. Thing exists. If one group.founder equals rec.user.username. Good. And we'll just find what this thing is. Models, charity. Yep, founder. That's good. Alright, we did that one. And I'm just getting sleepy, so I'm going to call this an episode. Starting next episode, we're going to at least get this one thing done with. But it'll be easier to debug it, and then we can add the protected route and go from there. So feel free to like and subscribe if you like this content. This is North Sentinel Island, signing out.